What if I told you that you could start making money online right now using ChatGPT without needing to sell a single product or even invest a single dollar? That's right, you don't need an online store, you don't need inventory, and you don't need to worry about complicated sales funnels. In this video, I'm going to break down how you, even as a complete beginner, can turn ChatGPT into your side hustle machine to create consistent income streams. So make sure you hit that subscribe button because here, I share real strategies that actually work, not just hype. And you don't want to miss the chance to build your side hustle empire step by step. 1. Content writing with ChatGPT. Students and beginners can earn money by offering content writing services powered by ChatGPT. Instead of struggling to create every article yourself, you can use ChatGPT to generate drafts, then polish them for clients. This method saves time and helps you deliver quality work faster than traditional writers. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are full of clients needing blogs, website copy, and search engine optimization articles. The secret is presenting yourself as the solution who can deliver fast and effective results. 2. Social media content creation. Every business today needs regular posts on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, and ChatGPT can help you create them instantly. You don't have to brainstorm captions or struggle for new ideas because the AI does the heavy lifting. Small businesses love consistent content but don't have time to create it, which opens the door for you. By packaging posts, captions, and ideas together, you can sell content bundles to clients. The great thing is you don't need to sell products yourself. You only help others grow theirs. 3. YouTube script writing. YouTubers constantly need scripts for their videos, and many don't have time to write them. That's where you can step in and offer script writing services using ChatGPT as your co-writer. You don't need to be an expert in every niche, because AI helps generate researched outlines and engaging scripts. This makes it possible for you to serve clients across gaming, finance, lifestyle, or tech. By adding your personal touch, you can deliver scripts that feel natural and polished. Platforms like Fiverr are already filled with creators searching for writers. 4. Resume and cover letter writing. Job seekers are always searching for strong resumes and cover letters that stand out. With ChatGPT, you can create professional drafts that you then refine to match each client's style. People are willing to pay well for resumes that land them interviews. Since this is a high-demand area, it's a great side hustle for broke beginners. You don't need to invent templates because ChatGPT can help generate formats and tailored wording. Your role is to polish and deliver customized results. Many freelancers even upsell by offering LinkedIn profile optimization. 5. Translation services with AI. Even if you're not fluent in multiple languages, ChatGPT can assist in translating text for clients. While you should always double-check accuracy, this gives you the foundation to offer services in translation and localization. Businesses need their websites, ads, and documents adapted to different languages. You can combine ChatGPT with free tools like Depot for even better results. Many companies hire freelancers for quick translations instead of big agencies. With practice, you can specialize in specific industries like marketing, education, or e-commerce. 6. Email marketing campaigns. Businesses thrive on effective emails, and ChatGPT can help you draft persuasive campaigns. You don't need to invent catchy lines alone because AI generates multiple variations you can refine. Email marketing is powerful because companies use it to drive sales and keep loyal customers. You can offer services like welcome emails, newsletters, or sales campaigns. The more engaging the copy, the more valuable your service becomes. Businesses will happily pay if your work brings results. Unlike selling products, you're selling strategy and communication. 7. Proofreading and editing. Many writers, bloggers, and students need their work edited for clarity and grammar. ChatGPT can help by analyzing and suggesting improvements, making your job easier. You don't need to rewrite everything manually because the AI provides a strong base. You can then refine and deliver polished documents. Proofreading is valuable in academic, business, and creative writing fields. Students hire freelancers to edit essays, while businesses pay for professional copy. This is an easy entry-level side hustle that requires no selling at all. 8. Blogging with ChatGPT. Instead of selling physical products, you can create a blog that generates money through ads and affiliate links. ChatGPT helps you draft posts faster, allowing you to publish consistently. With more articles, your site gains authority and traffic. Once you have steady visitors, ad networks like Google AdSense can pay you monthly. Blogging also opens doors to sponsored content from companies. The beauty of this hustle is passive income, where old posts keep making money. You can focus on niches you enjoy, making it fun and rewarding. 9. Course creation and guides. With ChatGPT, you can create digital guides, mini courses, or ebooks that teach skills. Instead of selling physical items, you're packaging knowledge into digital content. People are willing to pay for step-by-step guidance in areas like language learning, personal finance, or fitness. ChatGPT can help you structure lessons and write course material. You can sell these on platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, or even through your own social media. The beauty is you create it once and sell it multiple times. 10. ChatGPT Virtual Assistant Services. Many entrepreneurs and small businesses hire virtual assistants to handle emails, research, and scheduling. ChatGPT makes it easier by helping you draft replies, create reports, and organize information. You can start small with basic administrative tasks. Over time, you can expand into higher-paying roles like project coordination. Virtual Assistants is one of the fastest-growing online services. You don't need to sell products, only provide organization and communication. Clients value reliability, so consistent delivery builds trust. And that's it, 10 powerful ways you can start earning money online today with ChatGPT without selling anything at all. These side hustles are beginner-friendly, don't require big investments, and can be scaled into serious income streams if you stay consistent. Remember, the internet is full of opportunities, but the winners are those who take action right away. So if you're serious about turning ChatGPT into your side hustle partner, don't just watch, start today. And if you want more real, step-by-step strategies like these, make sure to hit that subscribe button now and join our community where we help you build online income the smart way, one hustle at a time.